Hey guys, it's Pokey2Cute, and I'm with...
Hester. Or Life Hope. And we're going to do another wedding video. Hopefully this one won't turn out as bad as the last one did.
I kept on swearing in the last one.
Yeah. No.
What? I have a problem.
Anyways,
let's just start it.
Yeah.
People?
So,
Who
was that?
I don't know who the frick that is!
So guys, we're back.
Yeah, we started it. Well,
and we're going to do the wedding.
But I don't know if we have to dress up or not.
You're already dressed up.
But he's not.
That's fine. I'm just gonna sit over here in the chair.
Normal.
Yeah, I'm gonna be normal. Hopefully. Normal enough.
Let's sit down. Okay.
Where's that sketch?
So. Yeah, and you have to say prayers. Okay?
Okay, get together.
Oh.
Don't grow. Don't complain.
Okay. This right there, is that better for you?
Yeah.
Okay, he got closer.
Okay, let's start this. Okay. Pokey. Do you take Zen to be your lovely husband?
Now I gotta go. Heather, stop being on your phone. I mean, my phone.
Zen. Do you... Oh! He just says yeah. He just says yeah. Do you take Pokey to be your lovely wife? Where did it go? It's not. Oh, now it is.
Yeah. It takes a while. And I just need to... Aww. I feel loved.
Then you may
Oh god, my animations are red.
kiss the bride. Go find it!
I'm trying to! Hold on. Come on! Come on! Wait, what do I say afterwards?
Just say I love yours or some shit.
Or some fucking shit. Sorry for swearing.
There might be kids.
Oh shit!
Welcome to our life, kids. It's all about swears.
You're a year older than me, Sam.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be here and be single for the rest of my life.
No, No, me and Savannah still need to find you a boyfriend. Like, obviously.
Trying to find me a boyfriend.
This has been going on for like 5 minutes.
So.
Oh my god, we forgot the music.
Ha!
Are you serious?
Ha!
We forgot the music. No, not that. Thomas. I'm sorry. I'm
better.
just mad right now.
Mad at what?
I don't know.
Did I give you my mad day?
I think so.
Okay, guys.
It's weird how you never insulted me.
Well, I guess that's because I don't really insult people and I don't know how to insult people.
Okay, so are we done? Wait, I need another animation. Okay. So we are gonna go and
hope you enjoyed the video. I don't think you did, but like, if you watched all of it, then thank you.
the other one was way better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Go watch that other one.
Yeah.
It's like
we'll try to leave it in the description. I know how to do it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.